Alright guys, I got a Kia Soul here. This is 2015 model. I'm gonna be changing a PCV valve. Inside this box we have a PCV valve. It's a small little valve which lets the crankcase of the engine ventilate. Alright, that's the piece right there. The part number is on the box here, 40450404. That's the part number. This is the original from Hyundai. You can see it right there. Right, and the valve is located right over here on this engine. So what you do is, well, see, I have this cover loose, but you have to pull it really hard because those grommets, there's 4 grommets, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this cover will come right off. Right, put that to the side. Once you have that to the side, you have, this is the pipe. All right, it sucks all the air, throws it back into the intake, into the engine. All right, that's the valve right there. All right, so what we need to do is, you need a needle nose. If this valve locks up, you can have a misfire, you can have a vacuum. It's gonna be like a vacuum leak. Engine might run crazy. You might have code for lean. All right, you see the PCV valve, it moved with the pipe. It stuck to the pipe. Right, I was trying to push it off with this little guy. Usually I like to yank it off and it should come off, but sometimes it won't come off. All right, so I need to break the grip off that piece. So let's go opposite direction, tightening. All right, there you go. So the grip is broken and the pipe should come right off. There's a vacuum line. All right, this piece is very important, guys. You should be changing this every time you change the spark plugs. Every 30,000 miles is a normal. Alright, I might not have a socket for this, or I might not fit because there might not be clearance around it. But if it just loose, guys. So let me loosen this up and let me match up a socket. Let's see if something fits on it, maybe 19 or 21. Alright guys, I got this socket, 13 by 16, fits on it really well with this crazy looking ratchet I have sitting around. Alright, and I think I need a deeper socket, but what I can do here is, I'm trying to work with one hand, just push it off a little bit so it has more room to travel. And there you go, guys. Once you have it loose, it should come right off. Well, I'll just keep going with the socket, I guess. All right, this PCV valve, see that, you hear that? Sometimes that piece will get stuck and it will stay stuck on a vacuum leak, so it will suck a tremendous amount of air from there. Right, put that to the side. All right, let's take out the new piece. That's how it should be. All right, so there's a whole bunch of oil there, so you can put a little bit of lube oil on this seal. All right, this is very important, this little guy. All right, so make sure you change this piece. All right, and you put it right back on. Let's have this on tightening mode now. There you go, guys. And take your vacuum line, put it back on. Don't forget to put the clamp back on. Oh, my camera's all over. Put the clamp back on. There you go. All right, guys, job well done. Take your engine cover, put it back on, and make sure the grommets line up, and you should be able to click it right back in. Thank you, subscribe, and bye-bye. We'll see you in the next one.